Just take those old records on the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I'm like that old time rock and roll. No time to take me through the good stuff. You never even get me on the floor. In 10 minutes I'll be late for the dawn. I'm like that old time rock and roll. Still like that old time rock and roll. That kind of music just to soothe the soul. I'll never miss about the days I'm on. With that old time rock and roll. Hey!
This dance is called Old Time Rock and Roll Baby. It is a full wall, 32 count beginner level line dance, choreographed by Sandra Speck. Weights on the left foot, 7, 8. Step right to the right diagonal, lock left behind right. Step, lock, step with the right foot to the right diagonal. Step, lock, step. Weight on the right foot, step left to the left diagonal, lock right behind left, step, lock, step to the left diagonal, stepping left, right, left. Cross right over left, step back on the left foot, side chassé to the right, right, left, right, slightly to the right diagonal, cross left over right, step back on the right foot, triple step to the side, stepping left, right, left, slightly to the left diagonal. Jazz box with a cross, cross right over left, step back on the left, step right to right side, cross left over right. Quarter Monterey turn to the right, point right to the right side, half turn right, point left to the side, step left, in place, taking the weight on the left foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Step forward on the right, kick left foot forward, step back on the left, touch right in front of the left. Step forward on the right, make a quarter turn to the right, flicking the left foot up and behind the left. Make another quarter turn right to face 9 o'clock, step in, left, right, left, left, right, left. Weight on the left foot, now facing 9 o'clock, ready to start your new walk. The dance with the counts. Weights on left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. Thank you for watching.